All right, hippie in the south. I got a bunch of old expired canned food down there that I fixed to bust some caps into. Have a little explosion here. I got the drone ready. First go down and tie the drone in with it so you see it from both points of view. Alright, the drone is locked. The drone is recording. We're recording here. And here we go, live. At 20 rounds. Oh, my drone is going crazy here. Let's get that back on track before it flies off. Off we go again. That drone wanting to get crazy on me. And that's it. 20 down, baby. Got most of them. Heavy in the south.